Because you two
It's where the poo fits.
Space. It seems to go on and on forever. But then you get to...
The following film is a work of fiction.
Fish?
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
Go, Percy, you lucky son of a bitch.
Look at this cord.
We're going to the helicopter.
Helicopter!
Moment.
It's too fast.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Do not come into my personal... Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that... Stop it! We're going to back in the boss. That's right. We're going to back in the boss.
Cotton ball torture.
I am J-A-J-K, and this is...
A king crab. A poop. The sass. 666.
Hey!
Where's the kaboom?
Oh my god! It's you!
Those are some
Pretty disturbed avians. Oh, fuck.